Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the walk-in drive opportunities and the testing jobs also that are the companies that are hiring for the testers. So let me share those details with you. So first is the walk-in drive that is happening in 24th and 25th of March, and they are hiring for software testers as for freshers. So if as a fresher you are looking for getting a job in the field of testing, go for that. There are 10 open positions for the testers, and freshers from 2018 to 2025 pass outs can apply. They are looking for immediate joiners, and the locations also they have given from which particular location you can apply, right? Then there's a requirement for SDET role, and the location is Hyderabad. They are looking for hybrid work from office people. So they are looking for software development, engineering, and test with strong expertise in Playwright automation using Python or TypeScript. The role involves functional testing and automation of AI-enabled features and workflow automation platforms. So they are looking for someone who can perform functional testing of new features, enhancements, and bug fixes, design, develop, and maintain automation frameworks using Playwright, automate regression, functional, and integration test cases. They are looking for someone who has 5 to 8 years of experience in the field of software testing, manual plus automation, strong hands-on experience with Playwright, proficiency in Python or TypeScript, solid understanding of functional regression, smoke integration testing, and somebody who has familiarity with test management tools. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer 2 to 6 years. The location is Noida, and they are looking for someone who has got experience in web, mobile, and API testing, manual plus automation testing, creating and executing test cases, working closely with the product and dev teams, improving product quality across the SDLC. So tech stack is given Selenium, APM, Mastercard, Playwright, API testing, SQL, Jira. Location is Noida. Experience is 2 to 6 years, and you can drop your resume at this particular email address. Then Crestic Software is hiring for test lead functional experience is 7 to 9 years, senior automation engineer experience 3 to 5 years. Location is Noida, work from office. It's a 5 days working. Then there are multiple other requirements. So let me share those details with you. So Vinov company is hiring for manual QA plus project management professional. They're looking for someone who has got 6 years of experience. So you're expected to send your CV at this particular email address, priya@vinov.com. Then there are multiple openings at Bebo Technologies, Chandigarh. So they are looking for software engineer, DevOps, software engineer, database, senior software engineer, React.js software engineer, automation, then AI testers 3 to 7 years, 1 to 3 years, SDET 5 to 8 years, senior software engineer automation 4 to 7 years, associate recruiters is a requirement. So there are multiple requirements at this particular company at Chandigarh. So this company is also hiring. Then apart from that, shares. So EPAM company is hiring. So if you're looking for a job opportunity, then EPAM company is also hiring. They are hiring for automation test engineers, then senior lead automation test engineers. So you can see senior lead .NET automation test engineer. So somebody who knows automation testing using .NET, somebody who knows automation testing using Python, then JavaScript with automation testing, and Java with automation testing. So these are all the requirements with respect to EPAM company. So lead Java automation test engineer is Pune, Chennai location. And .NET Automation Test Engineer is all the EPAM offices. Then lead Automation Test Engineer is again EPAM India offices. Then lead JavaScript Automation Test Engineer is EPAM India offices. So these are the requirements with respect to EPAM company. So you can apply for this requirement as well. And apart from that, if you are looking for any sort of career guidance, if you're looking for anything from the testing perspective, you're not getting calls, or you are not able to get the interview calls, or you want me to tell you about what are the different tools and technologies you should study, you should learn these days. If you're having gaps, if you're not having gaps, if you're looking for a switch, then for that, feel free to book a call here. So I'll share the link also with you in the chat box, as well as in the first comment of the video, so that it becomes easy for you to connect with us. So here is a link for the same, and the offer is also applied here. So you can quickly chat with us. So it would be 25 to 30 minutes of call. And it would be a 1:1 call wherein you can share all your queries, you can share all your doubts, and then we will connect with you, right? So the agenda of this call is to assist you. The agenda of this call is to help you. So feel free to book the calls for the same, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.